This is how you turn auto lock on or off on your phone. Pop into the settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to display and brightness. Scroll down on display and brightness till you get to auto lock. Mine is set to never, which helps me making these videos because when I'm talking like I am now, and if I rant a little bit, I'm going to pass one of these options, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, hopefully not 2 minutes, but then it'll just turn off. And that makes it really inconvenient for making these videos. That does, however, kill my battery a whole lot faster, especially if I have my display up pretty bright, which I do as well for these videos. It's almost max, so you can see lots of stuff when I'm talking about it. So keep in mind that never can be a battery drain. So if you want to go for a long time before auto lock, I'd say 5 minutes, or go for never. Just roll the dice and see what happens. But these are the options you have. There's no other options you can choose from. This is it. And this is the amount of time it will take before the iPhone locks or before it dims, and then shortly after it dims and it locks. Not entirely sure which one. And if you get value from my videos, consider joining the channel memberships. There's a button right below this video called join. Click on that and you'll see all the various options for the channel memberships. Thank you for checking that out. I appreciate it. It helps to keep making these videos for free for you on YouTube. And then check out this video right here. It shows you how to find tons more space on your iPhone, so check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.